If you look at this tire, there's a nail. It's either a nail or a bolt. I think it's a nail. I'm gonna see if I could repair it. This is just dish washing soap and water. I'm gonna see if there's any leak or not. It doesn't seem like there's a leak, but I'm gonna still take out the nail. Actually, I think it is leaking. Because the bubble is moving. I use that screwdriver to plug it up so the air will stop on coming out. This is the screw that I took out. I'm gonna use this reamer, put in that puncture hole up and down a few times. I'm gonna just leave the reamer here so the air doesn't all come out. I got 2 sets of plug. These are smaller, bigger. I'll use the smaller one. Slide this plug through the plugger needle. These are rubber cement I'm gonna use. I always use these, but I think these might be optional. So I removed the reamer. I'm gonna plug this in now. The goal is to push it in about 2/3 of the way. Pull it straight out real fast without spinning or turning the plugger needle. Just straight out. You should always be careful. I hurt myself so bad right here. I think I pulled a muscle. I'm filling it with air. It doesn't look like there's any leak.